Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can refund games on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you.
As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that explains perfectly how you can refund PlayStation 5 games on the PlayStation Store. So right now we're gonna jump right to the guide. So requesting a refund. If your situation meets the eligibility criteria for a refund, here is how you can make it happen. You'll need to sign in to your PlayStation or PlayStation Network account. You can do this on your PlayStation 5 home screen or via the PlayStation Store website. Next, head to your account settings and open up your purchase history or transaction history. This shows everything you've bought. Browse it and select the specific game transaction you want a refund for. After you select the game purchase, you should see a request a refund option pop up. Click that to open a web form. In a sentence or two, explain clearly why you need a refund. Maybe the game crashes constantly, or you realized you bought the wrong one. Mentioning it if you haven't downloaded the game yet helps too. Once you submit the form, PlayStation will email you a confirmation and then begin reviewing. Typically, it takes 1 or 2 weeks. While you wait, try not to download the disputed game just in case. If approved, the money will return to your original payment account in a few days. How long can vary based on your bank's processing time, but celebrate when it comes through, you got justice. So as you can see guys, this is the process for you to refund your games on PlayStation Network. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and see you guys in the next video.